In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your business from Google Business Profile. Whether you are stepping away from your business, moving to a new location, or changing operations, it's important to know how to manage your online presence properly. So let's walk through the process together and make sure everything's done the right way. First, head over to businessgoogle.com. This is your main control center for managing everything related to your Google business profile. In the top right corner, you'll see the sign in button. Make sure to log in with the email that's connected to your business account, otherwise you won't see your listings. If you've signed in before, Google will usually redirect you straight to your business page. But if not, just search My Business or your business name directly on Google and it'll take you there quickly. Now that you're on your business page, look for the three dot icon in the upper right corner. Click it and from the menu select Business Profile Settings. Inside this section, you'll find all your key management tools. Scroll down and click Remove Business Profile. This will start the removal process. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to delete the profile content and remove any associated managers. Make sure you read the prompt carefully before confirming, since this action is permanent. To make it clear that your business is no longer operating, toggle on the option to mark it as permanently closed. Once you have done that, Google may take a little time to fully remove or update your listing. So don't worry if it still appears for a short while. And that's it. You've successfully removed your business from Google Business Profile. Whether you're closing permanently or just updating your operations, always make sure your online information reflects your current status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with the next tutorial you'd like to see.